The Folding Pedal Exerciser by Vive provides a personalized exercise experience anywhere you go. Strengthen and tone your arm or leg muscles, increase circulation, improve stamina, and relieve tension. The adjustable knob provides customizable resistance, while the easy-to-read LCD screen displays RPM, time, speed, and calories burned. Non-slip pedals feature adjustable toe loops for a personalized fit. Smooth, quiet operation is ideal for home or office, and non-slip feet ensure the exerciser stays in place while in use. The compact design conveniently fits under a desk or similar space, and the legs fold under for compact storage and portability. The Folding Pedal Exerciser by Vive is trusted and proven. Check out the 5-star reviews. Plus, it's backed by an unconditional 1-year guarantee. You can't beat that anywhere. So confidently order yours now for the benefits of everyday exercise.